This is the weekly weather forecast video for Monday, July the 25th, 2011. Let's first take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a quite active pattern across the country with the monsoonal flow over the desert southwest producing some thunderstorms along with the central plains and the lower Mississippi River Valley as well. Here's the watch warning map from around midnight. Fairly quiet across the country, a flash flood warning over western Mississippi, and some high wind advisories over the northern Sierra Nevada mountain range. Here's the QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Friday evening at 7 o'clock. And you can see a lot more rain will be coming into the state, upwards of 1 to possibly 3.5 inches over the northeastern part of the state. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At 1 p.m. today, you can see a northwesterly flow aloft with the 594 millibar ridge over New Mexico and Colorado, and with that, skies will be mostly sunny, even though the model wants to paint in a shower. If that happens, it'll be very isolated at best, less than 10%. Tuesday, the chances are slightly higher, mainly in the northern part of the state as a warm front begins to move in, which could bring some heat and humidity back to parts of the state. Wednesday looks to be a very good chance of some showers and thunderstorms outside of the southwestern counties, which will be in the hazy, hot, and humid conditions. Highs will be wide-ranging. Same goes for Thursday. Some places will have hazy, hot, and humid conditions. Others it won't be as hot. Highs will likely be in the mid-80s to mid-90s with some heat indices over 100. Friday, that rain moves off to the south and east. It will be over the southern and eastern counties. Otherwise, it will be see readings in the mid to upper 80s statewide. Saturday, to begin the next weekend, looks to be rather calm, sunny, highs in the mid-80s to near 90, with a very isolated chance at a shower. Sunday looks to be the driest of the week, with highs still remaining in the mid-80s to lower 90s across the area. And a week from today, the 1st of August, unfortunately, that 594 ridge begins to pump itself back into the state, so the hazy, hot, and humid conditions will return, and this shows that most of the moisture will be well to the north, or in the monsoonal flow over the west, or along the deep south. We head off into Voodoo. Here's August the 5th. We see a west to east flow, a fairly quick west to east flow, as that heat ridge is now gone. And with that, we'll see some quick-moving storm systems and some rainfall that will be moving at least south of the state. But as model runs go, this could change, and we could see some rain over us as we begin in August. And the end of the forecast, August 9th, trough over the western part of Canada, another one over Hudson Bay. Otherwise, a ridge is over the central and southern plain states with a northwesterly flow aloft, and that could bring some shower and thunderstorm activity to the state as well as we head closer to mid-August. Now for the RAGBRAI forecast and the weekly weather forecast. tuning in to the weekly weather forecast video. We'll have our regular one tomorrow.